Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to Bagh School Physics Department, Grade 7 for lesson number 2. Dear students, yesterday we have discussed already that the cells, tissues, and how the tissues are formed together and to make the organs, and how the organs combine together to make the organ system and then organisms. Today, our discussion will focus on the main parts of the plants, which are basically plant organs. So, in this lesson, we will discuss the definition of plant organ, main plant organs, function of each plant organ, and then assignments or homework. When we start the discussion of the plant organs, then we must remember the definition of cells, that the plants and animals are made of the building blocks, which we call cells. And cells join together to form tissues, and tissues join together to form organ. So, as we said yesterday, that plant has main four organs. There are roots, stem, leaf, and flowers. So, the roots is the main organ, stem, the leaves, and the reproductive organs, which is flower. So, the types of plant organs. Plant organs are divided into two parts. Number one, the root system organs, which consist of the root organ, and the shoot system organs, which consist of stem, leaves, and flowers. So, we will discuss the function of each organ in detail. First of all, the function of root organs, this which is a very important part of the plant, and without this, organ or organ system of the roots, plants cannot be, cannot grow. So the main functions, when we talk about the roots, absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport this water and mineral to stem, and from the stem it is transported to the uh, leaves. So the roots absorb water and minerals and transport them to stem. They also anchor and support a plant and store food. So our root system consists of primary and secondary roots. Each root is made of dermal, ground, and vascular tissues. All right. So this is you can see the parts of the roots, which is beyond our syllabus. So we will just focus to the main functions of the roots. So the main functions of the roots are four. Number one, anchor the plants into the soil above the ground. For the for the in the soil. So absorb water and minerals and transport water and minerals to the stem. And the fourth function is to store the food. Now, the function of leaves. Leaves are considered as food factory. So, leaves are considered as food factory. They produce the food for the plants. Leaves prepare food in the presence of sunlight, water, and salts from. And now the function of stem. The stem actually, it's a very strong part of the plant which holds the plant above the ground, and also the water and salts absorbed by the roots and transported to the stem. Then stem transports this water and salts to the leaves, and leaves prepare food in the presence of water and salts. Now, the last part of the plant organ is the flower, which is known as also reproductive part of the plant. So flower are reproductive organ. Flower produce seeds which can grow in new plants, and this is what the today's lesson is. Now summary: today we have discussed what is organ, what are plant organs, function of these plant organs. So in the next lesson we will continue this organ system discussion, and lesson number 3 we will discuss human organ system. So thank you very much. This human organ system will be discussed in lesson number 3. Allah Hafiz.